Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to restrict Roblox from accessing your files and media on your Android device, ensuring your privacy is protected while you enjoy your gaming experience. With a few simple steps, you can take control of your app permissions. Let's jump right in. First, locate the Settings app on your Android device and open it. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you see the Apps option. Tap on that to view all installed applications. Next, scroll down the list to find Roblox and select it. This will bring you to the app's information page. Here, you'll see the Permissions option. Tap on it to manage what Roblox can access. Now, look for Files and Media. This setting determines whether the app can view and use the files stored on your device. To restrict access, simply tap on the circle next to Don't Allow. That's it. You've successfully restricted Roblox from accessing your files and media, keeping your personal information safe while you play. For more tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel.